If you're experiencing lag spikes while playing League of Legends, follow these steps to help resolve the issue quickly. This guide will walk you through some effective troubleshooting methods. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test and checking for any interruptions in service. If your connection is unstable, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This includes web browsers, streaming services, and downloads that may be using bandwidth and affecting your game performance. Step 3. Optimize game settings. Lower the in-game graphics settings to reduce the load on your system. This can help improve performance and reduce lag. Navigate to the settings menu in League of Legends and adjust the graphics quality to a lower setting. Step 4. Update network drivers. Ensure that your network drivers are up to date. Go to the device manager on your computer, find your network adapter, and check for updates. Keeping your drivers current can improve connectivity and reduce lag spikes. Step 5. Use a wired connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, switch to a wired Ethernet connection. A wired connection is generally more stable and can significantly reduce lag spikes during gameplay. By following these steps, you should be able to minimize lag spikes and enhance your gaming experience in League of Legends. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support for further assistance.